Welcome traders, Black Week is here and I couldn't be more excited to bring you the ultimate opportunity to become a profitable trader. I'm Jonathan Andin, and whether you're just starting your trading journey or if you're a seasoned trader, this week is packed with something for everyone. Plus, we have some exclusive giveaways and special Black Friday deals that you do not want to miss. Starting this Monday, November the 25th, I'll be hosting the Technical Trading Workshop, a 5-day live event that is all about giving you the tools, the strategies, and the mindset to succeed in today's market. Day 1 kicks off with the foundational skills that you will need to understand my unique trading systems, from the essential of technical analysis to the strategies that I will be using daily. It's all about building a strong base. On Tuesday, we will dive into the RLZ method, which is my signature trading system. I will show you how to set it up, identify key indicators, and execute the trades with confidence. Plus, you'll see live examples that bring this strategy to life. And then on Wednesday, I will be unveiling the RLZ Reversal, a brand new system that I've never shared before. This session is going to be packed with insights and actionable setups to expand your trading toolkit. Thursday is all about combining everything that we've learned. I'll also share tips on trading psychology and my personal routines that help me stay consistent and focused. And finally, on Friday, we'll wrap everything up with a live trading session and an exciting announcement. Our new private mentoring program. This program is your chance to get personalized guidance, weekly mentoring calls, and in-depth personal reviews of your trading setups. Plus, we'll have more exclusive giveaways and special Black Friday deals that you do not want to miss. If you are truly ready to take that next step, join the event for free now. All you have to do is sign up with your email below and follow our social links. See you at the workshop.